Imagine turning on a computer and watching the desktop appear almost instantly. No long loading screens, no sluggish animations, and no waiting for applications to open. For many people, that sounds impossible, especially if they are using older hardware. But there is a Linux distribution that has built a reputation around one thing above all else: speed. Today we're talking about a Linux distro that many users describe as absolutely blazing fast, a system designed to squeeze every bit of performance from your hardware while staying lightweight, responsive, and incredibly efficient. When most people think about operating systems, they focus on features, visual design, or software compatibility. Speed often becomes an afterthought. Modern operating systems have become larger and more demanding over time. They consume more RAM, require faster processors, and often run dozens of background services that users never asked for. The result is a system that feels heavier with every new update. This is where lightweight Linux distributions enter the picture, and among them, one distro consistently stands out for its remarkable performance: AntiX Linux. AntiX is a Linux distribution built with one primary goal in mind: delivering a fast and efficient computing experience, especially on older or lower-powered hardware. While many operating systems abandon support for aging machines, AntiX takes the opposite approach. It embraces them. Computers that struggle to run modern versions of Windows can often run AntiX smoothly, breathing new life into hardware that might otherwise be headed for recycling. What makes AntiX so fast is not some secret optimization hidden deep within the code. Instead, it comes from a series of deliberate design decisions. Every component is selected with efficiency in mind. The developers avoid resource-heavy desktop environments and unnecessary background services. Rather than trying to imitate flashy modern interfaces filled with animations and visual effects, AntiX focuses on responsiveness. The result is an operating system that feels quick even on machines with limited processing power. One of the first things users notice after installing AntiX is how little memory it consumes. Many modern operating systems can use several gigabytes of RAM immediately after startup. AntiX often starts with only a fraction of that. This means more system resources remain available for actual work, instead of being consumed by the operating system itself. Whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, or running lightweight applications, the system remains responsive because it isn't wasting resources on unnecessary processes. Boot speed is another area where AntiX shines. Users frequently report that the operating system starts significantly faster than heavier alternatives. This is particularly noticeable on older computers equipped with traditional hard drives rather than modern SSDs, since AntiX loads fewer services and maintains a minimalist approach. Startup times can be dramatically reduced. What would normally take minutes on a bloated system can often be accomplished in seconds. Another reason for AntiX's reputation is its choice of window managers instead of full desktop environments. While desktop environments like GNOME and KDE offer extensive features and beautiful visual experiences, they also require more system resources. AntiX uses lightweight alternatives that provide the essentials without overwhelming the hardware. These window managers are designed to be efficient, responsive, and highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their experience while maintaining excellent performance. Speed isn't only about startup times and memory usage. Application responsiveness matters just as much. Clicking a menu should open it immediately. Launching a file manager should feel instantaneous. Switching between tasks should happen without delays. AntiX excels in these everyday interactions because the operating system itself remains lightweight. The user experiences a level of responsiveness that many modern systems struggle to deliver, even on significantly more powerful hardware. Perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of AntiX is how well it performs on extremely old computers. Machines with processors that are more than a decade old can still provide a usable experience. Systems with limited RAM that would be nearly unusable under modern operating systems can become productive once again. This makes AntiX especially popular among technology enthusiasts, schools, nonprofit organizations, and individuals who want to maximize the lifespan of their hardware. The environmental benefits of this approach should not be overlooked. Electronic waste is a growing global problem. Millions of computers are discarded every year, often because they can no longer run modern software effectively. By enabling older machines to remain functional, AntiX contributes to reducing waste and promoting sustainability. A computer that might have been thrown away can continue serving useful purposes for years. Another factor contributing to AntiX's speed is its efficient package management and software ecosystem. The distribution is based on the Debian family, which means users gain access to a vast collection of software packages. Despite its lightweight nature, AntiX does not force users to sacrifice functionality. They can still install web browsers, office suites, multimedia applications, development tools, and much more. The difference is that users choose what they need rather than having everything preloaded by default. Customization also plays an important role in the AntiX experience. Because the system starts with a lightweight foundation, users can gradually add features according to their preferences. Some users maintain an ultra-minimal setup focused entirely on performance. Others expand the system with additional applications and tools while still benefiting from AntiX's efficient architecture. This flexibility allows the operating system to adapt to different use cases without losing its core emphasis on speed. One common misconception is that lightweight operating systems must be difficult to use. While AntiX may require a small adjustment period for users coming from mainstream operating systems, it remains surprisingly accessible. The interface is straightforward, menus are organized logically, and essential tasks can be performed without extensive technical knowledge. Over time, many users discover that the simplicity actually improves productivity by reducing distractions and unnecessary complexity. The speed advantages become particularly noticeable when multitasking. On heavier operating systems, opening multiple browser tabs, documents, and applications can quickly consume available resources. Performance gradually deteriorates as memory usage increases. AntiX handles these situations more gracefully because it starts from such a low resource baseline. Users have more flexibility before reaching the limits of their hardware. Another area where AntiX excels is system maintenance. Since the operating system avoids excessive complexity, updates and general management often feel more straightforward. Users spend less time troubleshooting performance issues and more time actually using their computers. This reliability contributes significantly to the overall perception of speed because a stable system tends to remain responsive over long periods of use. For enthusiasts who enjoy exploring Linux, AntiX offers an educational experience as well. The lightweight design encourages users to understand how different system components interact. Many people learn valuable lessons about operating system efficiency, resource management, and Linux customization while using AntiX. These insights can be applied across other distributions and computing environments. Security is another important consideration. Despite being lightweight, AntiX benefits from the strong foundation provided by Debian-based software repositories. Regular updates help maintain system security while preserving performance. Users do not have to choose between speed and safety. They can enjoy both within a streamlined operating system designed for efficiency. The popularity of AntiX among Linux enthusiasts is often driven by personal experiences. Someone discovers an old laptop gathering dust in a closet. They install AntiX out of curiosity. Suddenly the machine feels alive again. Applications open quickly. Web browsing becomes practical. Basic productivity tasks run smoothly. Stories like these have helped build AntiX's reputation as one of the fastest Linux distributions available. Of course, no operating system is perfect. Users seeking advanced graphical effects, highly polished visual interfaces, or extensive built-in features may prefer heavier desktop environments. AntiX prioritizes speed over visual extravagance. This trade-off is intentional. The goal is not to impress users with flashy animations, but to provide a fast, efficient, and dependable computing platform. What's fascinating is how AntiX demonstrates an important principle often forgotten in modern software development. More features do not automatically create a better experience. Sometimes removing unnecessary complexity leads to superior performance and greater usability. AntiX embodies this philosophy by focusing relentlessly on efficiency. As technology continues advancing, many users assume they need constant hardware upgrades to keep up with software demands. AntiX challenges that assumption. It proves that intelligent software design can dramatically extend the useful life of existing hardware. Instead of replacing a computer simply because it feels slow, users can often achieve remarkable improvements through a lightweight operating system. For students, budget-conscious users, hobbyists, and anyone interested in maximizing performance, AntiX represents a compelling option. It transforms aging machines into capable workstations and demonstrates what can be achieved when efficiency becomes the primary design goal. Few operating systems deliver such dramatic improvements on older hardware while remaining practical for everyday tasks. In a world where software often grows larger, slower, and more resource-intensive with every release, AntiX stands as a refreshing alternative. It reminds us that speed still matters, responsiveness still matters, efficiency still matters. And perhaps most importantly, it proves that even an old computer can feel surprisingly modern when paired with the right operating system. So if you've ever looked at a slow computer and assumed its best days were behind it, think again. The secret may not be buying new hardware at all. The answer could be installing a Linux distribution built from the ground up for performance. AntiX has earned its reputation as one of the fastest Linux distros available. And for countless users around the world, it has transformed forgotten machines into responsive, productive systems once again. That's why many Linux enthusiasts continue to call it one of the most blazing fast operating systems ever created.